Okay, Mazda CX-7 front indicator or park light bulb replacement. These lights actually pull out the front. There's plastic trim tool in there. Just pry them forward, they're just clipped in. Okay, indicator bulb there, park bulb there. The indicator bulb you can do from underneath if you want to. Undo 3 screws on there. But if you try and do the park bulb, there's not actually enough room to fit it out because it hits on here. So you've got to pop the light out. But yeah, nice, quick and easy job. So that's indicator or park bulb replacement on the Mazda CX-7 with these lights down the bottom here.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.